I cleaned our room. What?
I'll wake up early and be productive tomorrow. I'm hungry. Today is a new day to be productive. Yep, I'm gonna be happy.
I'm so hungry. I don't want to wake up. Hello?
Oh my god, hello? I'm in my friend's house right now, and there's a kidnapper. Oh my god.
Why aren't you calling 911? And how stupid is that kidnapper? It's broad daylight outside. Come on. It's like everyone can see him. Or her.
No, it's not like that. It's a different situation. It's different. The kidnapper is my friend. Listen, I'm about to call 911, but I don't know what street I'm in. Can you tell me?
I don't even know.
Your left side.
My left side. Oh my god. How do you even know where I live? And that where are you stuck?
Please tell me I need to hurry. They're coming to get me. I don't want to die. Please, please.
Oh, alright, hold on, okay? Hold on, let me check. It's 61st Mount Fairweather. Sorry dude, I can't read. I didn't go to my, eye doctor. I'm sorry, I can't.
Oh, nice. Dear. I'm sorry. I didn't know. It's no one.
Hello everybody, so today I will be making a video and it is all hi good day. I don't know what to talk about today. I don't even know what to do. Maybe I should talk about that time where I stepped on a piece of dog poo. No, I cannot make anything. Maybe I should ask Vicky. Hi Vicky,
Hello, who is that?
yeah, this is your twin sister, Victoria. Vicky, do you have any ideas on what to...
Oh my gosh, can you like make a video about shopping?
No.
Oh my god.
No, Vicky, that's not a really good idea.
What?
I don't...
What are you saying?
Well, maybe that video is gonna be nice if you're the one in it, but you know, I'm not really like you.
Are you saying I'm a failure? Oh my gosh, Matilda, come here.
Oh no,
This
don't
is
think
giving me a headache. Oh my, I cannot believe
dude,
this.
come on, chill.
Goodbye. I'm telling you,
I wish-
Mom, on you a goodbye. Oh my gosh,
I
I
love you
need some
too.
chocolate.
Hi everyone, so that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had to change and then I had to do this and do that, and the most difficult part was, guess what it is? Cleaning the room. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Bye! Alright! No, well, back to work. I just use la 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 la. Good job, camera. If you like, what? Enjoyed it. See you guys. Damn. See you guys again next week. Bye. Allah, yeah.